Meaning of leprosy.
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 Leprosy. Leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease, is a chronic and infectious disease that primarily affects the skin, nerves, and mucous membranes. It is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium leprae and is characterized by disfiguring skin lesions, nerve damage, and muscle weakness. In the past, leprosy was considered highly contagious and incurable, but today it can be effectively treated with antibiotics. While leprosy still exists in some parts of the world, it is now relatively rare and is no longer a major public health concern in most countries.